Today in the grain market, soybeans keeps rising. A sense of optimism is giving the futures a big boost. Right now, China has stepped in and bought some of the grain from us on the soybean side, but it's not necessarily to fulfill the commitments from the phase one. It's more to replenish the reserves. Now, funds are also buying soybeans, so it's kind of underpinning the market. We're up about 6 cents today, so that is really giving it some strength and maybe building a little bit of momentum. Also, it's good to know that the NOPA report that came out was that the crush had a pretty large number. So we're able to use a lot of our soybeans for crushing right now. That should help the market really down the road. Corn was steady today. Export sales are improving, so that's helping a lot. But there has been heavy rains, and certainly in some areas that have been dry. But the rivers are overflowing, and they are really over their banks right now. There is some concern that maybe something like last year is going to happen again with some of the flooding, and we're going to have some of the farm areas are going to have to reseed. But right now, that's not really happening. But speculators are adding to their short position, so that could put a lid on any kind of rally that might come from other difficulties in the planting area. We're about 84% planted for the corn side. Wheat was also lower today. I think that global supplies are really plentiful right now. All around the world. There has been some rains in Russia, so that's helping them. There's record stocks really everywhere. And with Kansas City and Minneapolis wheat also under pressure, it seems that the speculators are adding to their short position, and that's really taking its toll on the market. Now, we did get down to that $5 benchmark number, but we're a little bit below it at this point, and so it's really becoming maybe a resistance number. US dollar was a little bit easier as well, but we're still so close to the par value that it's difficult that that's going to actually have any kind of effect on any of the grains right now. But we're going to keep watching as the economies start to open up and see if that's going to help possibly increase some consumer demand from that point.